If you've seen my previous video on growing amaranth, I grew this plant from seeds and planted it in this container. And the whole summer we have been pruning it. You can see all the cut branches here, and it keeps growing. And now it's end of summer and the flower shoots are coming. So I'm going to, normally I'll pinch them off, because if you want to enjoy the greens, you should pinch them off. But I want to show you how to save the seeds of amaranth. So I'm not going to pinch them off in this container. I have other containers where, I still keep pruning them and keep using the greens. But for this, I'm going to leave it as it is and show you how to save its seeds. So now you can see that the seed stalks have grown really big, and in some of them I can already see black spots. So that means the seeds are coming out. So I have two types of amaranth. So this was grown from black seeds. So if I just shake them, look at this. Just rub them lightly and shake them, and here, and this is what you save. So even though all the seeds have come out, you want to leave them in a shaded area for a couple of days for them to completely dry, and then only you want to store them away for the next season. So here is another place where I have amaranth plants. These are from white seeds. So you just rub the seed stalk gently, and the seeds and some husk comes out, and then you just blow it lightly, and the seeds are left over. So again, you just dry them up and save them for the next season. So another way is that when you see that these flower shoots or the seed shoots are completely dry, and they are kind of, the pods are opening up, so you just cut the whole shoot and just place them in a paper bag or something like that inside the house and let them dry. And maybe in a week or 2 weeks, just take them out, shake them in the bag itself, all the seeds will come out, and you collect the seeds. So if you grow amaranth, which you should grow because it's a superfood and it grows so easily in summers, we enjoy these amaranth leaves, all summer long. So at the end of the season, when it starts to develop these seed pods, don't just take away the plants. Let them grow, and once they are ready, shake them up and save the seeds for the next season. And as soon as the spring arrives, you can just plant these seeds. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.